Hello guys, Pakyut Card Shop here. Tayo ay mag-open. Pre-sim naman, Pre-sim 2024. Pack 15 cards. Habang umuulan, tayo ay magbubukas na lang. Yes, libang-libang. So ayan, 2024, 2025, 15 cards. Sealed yung likod na hindi mabasa. So buksan na natin. Siya na, nakikisabat yung aso ko eh. So let's go. Water, ang unang card. Ito yung first look natin. Yan, first look. Si Water. Oh, meron tayong green. So, Herbert Jones, Eric Gordon, base of red, white, and blue. Diba? Hindi pa. Hindi pa. Oy! Base sino ba to? Stephon Castle pala. Stephon Castle, Rookie of the Year. Yes, nice hit. Meron tayong RC base ni Stephon Castle. Ito si sino ba? Hindi ko basa. Ajaju. Ayan. Basta yan, rookie. Jimmy Butler, red, white, and blue. Teka lang, ano to? May nakasabit pala. Ortiz. Jimmy Buckets, red, white, and blue. So, isa pang red, white, and blue. Oy, meron tayong AJ Mitchell. Thunder. Champ. Next, Kevin Porter Jr. Wow! Zach Richeche. Okay. Nice one. Green Prism ni Zachary Richeche. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pronunciation ko, pero nice hit. First draft pick. Oh, another Zachary. Instant impact. RC again. Nice, 2 hits. Nice. So, ang next is sino ito nakasabit? Oh, Silver Emergent Sakiri. Ganda. Okay, base Julius Randle, Bridges at C. Okay, nice hit. Ang ganda ng mga hits natin. Pakita mo natin ulit. So, ito si Stephon Castle, base. Ganda. Next, Zach Edey, Emergent Silver. Yan, si Ricochet, Zachary. At another is Green Prism. Ito yung pinaka-hit natin. Nice hit. At sino pang next? Yan. Yang mga red, white, and blue. Yan, si Ajay, Mitchell, Buckets. Yan, okay. Thank you. Ingat tayo. Salamat.